Hi, I'm David and welcome back to BrenTeck IT Tech Support. Today we'll be looking at the unboxing and setting up of the Meross MSS425E Wi-Fi Smart Surge Protector with 4 USB power outlets as well. Now, this is a bit of an outdated product and there might be newer versions of them out in the market now, but they're all going to be very similar. I bought this ages ago for a pet project, but haven't had time to do the project, so I thought I'll quickly do an unboxing, set it up and use it for Christmas lights. Obviously, you don't actually have to use it for Christmas lights, you can use it for anything, and the power out of this is actually very, very good. It will support an output of 10 amps maximum load across all 4 mains UK plugs, or you can get 10 amps out of just one socket and then don't use the other 3, depending on what you want to use it for. Obviously, you never want to overload any extension cable, as you'll hopefully blow the fuse rather than damaging the cables, flexes or anything else. Just always be careful when using extension leads. But this comes with a 6-foot long extension cord, which is a good length. It's Wi-Fi 2.4 gigahertz compatible, so that's how you log into it and connect it to your network. The USB sockets will support a maximum of 2.4 amps for any given socket, but a maximum of 4 amps across all 4. So one could use 2.4 amps, or you could have 4 running at 1 amp. So depending on what you put in, it depends on the loads you're going to get, but it will self-manage it, so you don't have to worry. But 2.4 for one socket is going to be enough for most things. To set this up, you need a smartphone running iOS version 9 for Apple users or Android 4.1 or higher. So obviously this is now quite a bit older, so we've got a lot newer versions than that, but it's going to be absolutely fine. I've got other ones set up, which I set up way before I started doing my YouTube videos, and so this is just me sitting in a cupboard now. Right, I'm going to set it up now. Well, let's quickly see what's in the box. Okay, it's going to be a very simple unboxing for this one. It is literally box, instructions with a QR code to their app, sleeve, plastic protector for your pins, and a cable tidy. And that is pretty much it for the unboxing. And as you can see, you've got your 3 main sockets and 4 USB sockets, and you've got a switch here that will turn them all on and off. I'll leave that on because I'm just going to be knocking this around the garage. But we'll just plug it in and set it up. So we've powered up our plug. We can see the green light flashing. We will come to the Meross app. And you can see that we've already added a few. So we'll just come to the plus symbol. Say OK. You can allow it to use the locations. Come to the surge protector and select that one. We'll select our 45E. I'll say it's flashing green, so I'll click next. Well, I'll turn it off and on again. I'd say it's flashing rapidly, but we'll try that again. Yep. So we'll click connect. Give it a name. And click next. Next. We have on our 2G network. And click next. You've just heard it click. And we're done. Very simple. It's immediately updated it to Lady A as well. So if we come to the festive lights, we can now switch them on and we should see the lights light up. So and that's it. It is literally as simple as that. And as Lady A detected it, let's try that.
Alexa,
turn on festive lights.
Okay.
And it's all turned on. Nice and simple.
Okay. You can now use your plug, like for the rest of your lights.
Alright, well that was incredibly simple. Again, you just need to tell Baby G to synchronize all devices if you've already had it set up, and then it will synchronize. If not, you've got to go into the Google Assistant app and add the Meross routine to it, and then it will then detect all your devices and work with Baby G as well. It also works directly with Home Assistant, so you can just set that up and then have routines programmed in there, or you can use Alexa routines. Any of those settings are easy to set up and straightforward and work very well. So we'll go outside, plug this into our Christmas lights, and then we'll say goodbye outside. Okay, we're outside now in the freezing cold, so you can see how the lights work. We can choose which one to turn on. So we've got our reindeer, our snowfall twinkle lights, and our main string of lights. All done from the app, or we can do it from Lady A. Turn off festive lights.
Okay.
Turn on festive lights.
Okay.
And they can all come. You can control them all individually if you say socket 1, socket 2, if you give them particular names and numbers. So you've got a good range of choice on how you want to proceed. Well, that's it for now. I do hope you enjoyed the video. If so, give it a good thumbs up, like, comment and subscribe. Don't forget to click that bell notification icon. If you want to leave us comments and questions, please do so down below. We're always happy to answer any questions you may have. And we do appreciate making all these videos for you. You can follow us on our Instagrams, Twitters and social medias down the side as well. If you do want to help support the video, you can do a one-off PayPal donation, which is down in the description below, or you can become a patron as well for massive help, and that will help buy us new equipment and cameras, which we're always investing in, but also help us to be able to purchase more equipment to do the reviews and unboxings of as well. Well, that's it for now. Hope you get this one out before Christmas, as we've got a whole bunch of sponsored videos that we've got to try and get out at the same time. Well, that's it for now. Take care, and as always, see you again next time. Bye for now.